Hello, welcome back to Miss Dhias Update channel with me, Miss Dhias. In this video, I will share a bit about how to write comparison and contrast paragraphs. Have you ever read this kind of paragraph before? Comparison or contrast paragraphs? Yeah, you need to know or read first this kind of paragraph so that you can write it. Of course, by reading, you can write something. But first of all, you need to know the purpose of making this or writing this paragraph. The purpose of writing comparison or contrast paragraph is to contemplate the relationship between two things by focusing either the similarities or the differences. Okay, you compare two things. Yeah, find the similarities or the differences. That's the focus of comparison and contrast paragraph. Easy, right? Let's go to the first one is the comparison paragraph. As the name comparison, you compare two things and you find the similarities of those two things. And then to make your paragraph unity, you need to choose the logical topic to compare. What topic do you want to compare? For example, mobile phone, the newest mobile phone, maybe as simple as animals, or compare between two people, maybe, or yeah, you can compare anything that you like. Then after that, so discuss only similarities. If you want to write comparison paragraph, only similarities, okay? You find the similarities only, okay? Ignore the contrast or the differences, and then create with transition and word usage that indicate meaning. After this, I will show you what kind of transition that indicate similarities or comparison. And then decide on organization method. Yeah, because you write a paragraph, first you need to have topic sentence, and then supporting details or supporting sentences, and then concluding sentence. Those three body of paragraph, you need to have it, okay? And then let's see the contrast paragraph. Yeah, previously comparison paragraph focused on similarities. When you choose to write contrast paragraph, you need to focus on differences. Okay, once again, differences. The way you have the unity and coherences, yeah, it's really similar, but here you focus only on differences, not the similarities. Okay, let's go to see the vocabularies or the transition keywords related to comparison and contrast. Okay, in contrast, you will have keyword like unlike, different from, despite, or the coordinators kind of but, yet, however, yeah, nevertheless, in contrast, on the other hand, although, even though, while. And while in comparison, you will have like, similar to, just like, the same as, both, neither, okay, or you have and then similar, likewise, in the same way, or just as, okay. Okay, now we will talk about organization methods. So after you choose the topic, and then you choose which kind of paragraph that you will write, whether you want to write comparison paragraph or contrast paragraph. Then after that, you can choose the method of organization or how will you develop your paragraph. First, you can choose to develop your paragraph by topic. Okay, topic here is the things that you want to compare or contrast. For example, previously we talked about dogs and cats. So the topic 1 here can be dogs. Topic 2 here is cats. Then you need to elaborate those two topics by using 3 points. For example, first by the appearance. Okay. First point by appearance, second by the quality, 3 maybe about yeah, another thing. For example, maybe, yeah, how about the meaning of them in your life, maybe like that. So you can write a paragraph like this, okay? You finish with one topic first, and then after that you continue to the second topic. But if you organize it by point, okay, you start it by, for example, based on the appearance, cat is like this, dog is like that, okay? While by the quality, cat like this, dog like this, okay? So that's the difference how to organize your comparison and contrast paragraph. You can choose, okay, not use both of these, but choose which one do you prefer to use, okay? I provide you with 2 examples of paragraph, okay? You can read it and then after that answer the question below it. Is this a comparison or contrast paragraph? And what are the points? And then how is the paragraph organized? And what are the words used to add to the coherence? Okay, you can have it here. Okay, and then the second example also, you can do the same. Ask yourself the question. And then when you can answer it, means that you comprehend what are comparison paragraph and contrast paragraph. After that, after you feel that you understand the paragraph, you can start to brainstorm your idea. Yeah, choose 2 topics to be compare or contrast, and then you can use this Venn diagram to find the differences between those 2 topics, and then also find the similarities. So you can choose whether you prefer to write the differences or the similarities. If you want to write the differences, means that you want to write contrast paragraph. If you want to write similarities, means that you want to write comparison paragraph. Okay, this is the example of using the Venn diagram. You compare whales and fish. What's the difference here? And here the similarities. So you can choose after this which kind of paragraph that you want to write. Okay, that's all my explanation about comparison and contrast paragraph. After this, the only thing that you need to do is let's compare or contrast. So after that, we can write our comparison or contrast paragraph. Okay, thank you for watching this video. And then don't forget to support me by having a like, a comment, share, or yeah, if you have not already subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel. Thank you very much and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.